Formal place setting. Please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to press bell icon. The intelligent student. 1. Salad fork. Salad fork. 2. Fish fork. Fish fork. 3. Dinner fork. Dinner fork. 4. Napkin. Napkin. 5. Butter knife. Butter knife. 6. Bread plate. Bread plate. 7. Dessert spoon. Dessert spoon. 8. Dessert fork. Dessert fork. 9. Place card. 10. Salad plate. Salad plate. 11. Soup bowl. Soup bowl. 12. Service plate. Service plate. 13. Salad knife. Salad knife. 14. Meat knife. Meat knife. 15. Fish knife. Fish knife. 16. Soup spoon. Soup spoon. 17. Dinner spoon. Dinner spoon. 18. Seafood fork. Seafood fork. 19. Water goblet. Water goblet. 20. Champagne flute. Champagne flute. 21. Red wine glass. Red wine glass. 22. White wine glass. White wine glass. 23. Sherry glass. Sherry glass. Public. Please MRA channel subscribe, like and share. Karen.